Yeah, so now that this is the beginning of part 3 of this 4-part series, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And I want to thank everyone who has followed this important discussion from the beginning. In part 1, we introduce a story and examine why people from all walks of life can become targets of sophisticated financial scams. In part 2, we went deeper into the psychology behind these schemes, how scammers build trust, create confidence, and use emotions such as hope, urgency, and fear of missing out to influence decisions. Now in part 3, we are moving into one of the most important parts of this conversation: how to protect yourself, your family, and your hard-earned money. Because understanding the problem is only the first step. Knowledge must lead to action. A person can now scam anyone who's willing to allow themselves to be scammed. A person can know that scams exist, that if they do not recognize the warning signs when they appear, they can still become vulnerable. It doesn't matter how educated a person is. In this part, we are going to examine the practical steps everyone should take before trusting any investment opportunity. We will discuss why verification is critical, why independent research matters, why you should never allow anyone to rush you into financial decisions, and why asking questions is one of the strongest tools you have. Remember this: a person who truly wants you to succeed will not be afraid of your questions. A legitimate opportunity will not collapse because you take time to investigate. But a dishonest opportunity often depends on speed, secrecy, time, and emotion. Your money represents your hard work. It represents the hours you sacrifice, the responsibilities you carried, and the future you are trying to build. To protecting your money is not just about finances, it's about protecting your family's future. Stay with me throughout part 3, because the information we are about to discuss could help someone avoid making a mistake they may regret for years to come. This is part 3 of this 4-part series. You watch, you listen, and you decide. Moving on. Part 3 of this 4-part series. If this is the first time visiting the Jamaica Young Police Channel and you haven't subscribed as yet, please consider subscribing. If you are already a subscriber but you are not receiving your notifications, please unsubscribe, then subscribe again, and make sure your notifications are turned on. At the present moment, it's only 172 people that subscribe to the Jamaica Young Police Channel are receiving notification. Let me repeat myself: 172 people. That's the threshold that YouTube had put on the channel from their surrogates, from the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization surrogates that's in YouTube. And it started from a guy by the name of Omar Ibanks, a convicted drug dealer and a deportee, after he had exposed Mark Gummerbeer Golden in the killing of the PMP councillor Tyson. That's from when the channel has been under attack, because he had revealed the names of the people who had played an integral role in the killing of this man. And it go right back to the opposition leader, the big belly white man from England. So they had killed Tyson to give Omar Ibanks the seat. So he had exposed the opposition leader in an alleged murder case. So to those of you who have stood with this channel over the years, thank you for your loyalty and support. Many of you have watched the challenges this channel has faced over the past 2.5 years. Through it, we have remained committed to our mission of sharing our perspectives, encouraging discussion, and standing by what we believe is the truth. History reminds us that evil and wickedness may appear to prosper for a season. There are times when deception seems to win, and those who celebrate wrongdoing believe they have the final word. But history also teaches that lies are temporary. Lies are temporary. Truth as a way of enduring, and integrity as a way of outlasting deception. No matter how difficult the journey may become, we will continue to pursue what we believe is right and truthful. Speak with conviction and encourage our audience to think critically, examine the evidence, and draw their own conclusions. Truth endures forever. Integrity endures forever. That is why we remain committed to this journey with you. They can't break us. Never. But as we say, the longest liver will see. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
They did suspect he was, you know. But what kind of crimes he did, I don't know.
Well, I didn't dig deep into him. And I have so many things doing because right now, you know, the killing of this guy, one named Jerome from Maypen. You understand? So I have so many things doing. And the reason why I returned your call because I saw the missed call and you understand what I'm saying. So I said I'd call you back. You understand?
Yeah, because you called me back about what I had said before, the previous message. So I have your number. I know so your area code is
954.
954.
Okay, let me see.
I'll maybe tell you who me is on my second call. tell you my name. I told you that I am already. I subscribe to your channel. I've been listening to you over the years.
Yes. But so let me tell you something.
And I comment.
Yes, and well, the thing, the thing is that now with there's I have thousands of people, you know, who are dealt with on the channel, you know. You understand what I'm saying? And you have a special group of people in Patreon. They are part of the Patreon squad. You understand what I'm saying?
The so that's Patreon squad, yeah.
Yes, you understand what I'm saying. So especially the one who have the top tier, the ones that there's only 10 video there, 10 video. And yeah, only 10 video on the top tier, and I can tell you that the top tier people, that is what the top tier is really there for. You understand what I'm saying? They listen for them to listen. I'm about to write a book, and it's like just a few people subscribe to the top tier of the channel, and they are not the ones that are. You understand what I'm saying? You know, and I try to help people. You know, because anytime you're doing a video, it takes time, research, and all kind of thing. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how it is. But I'll try my very best. All you have to do is just send the information over to me, and you understand? Oh. No, text it to me. You send it to me. You seem like how you call this number. You can use WhatsApp and
you know how much things they have to say to you. It's not gonna be as easy, it's not gonna be small.
Well, okay. Well, this is it now.
This is why I'm saying sending you, because everything that I have is on my phone. Screenshots of all of the conversations I would have to say.
Well, is that okay? All right, this is it. This is what I want you to say. All right, no, look here. This is what I want, because remember that you're going to have people that they will be coming at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you know, for them to take it down, to say that I'm spreading propaganda. So what I want, so you see, I am literally now gonna pick fight with people that have no beef with or anything, or there's nothing in it for the viewer, for the subscribers or the people who watch the channel to benefit from. But this is an educational channel to save other people from getting scammed. So what I would like from you now is screenshot of the website that you understand what I'm saying, and what it entails, and you know,
platform.
Yes, you understand, and what it entails, and then from there we take care. You understand? But yeah, that's a lot of money, you know. You don't mind. You don't have to tell me exact age, but you are in the 60s.
I tell you already how much.
No, I don't. Honestly, I don't remember. You know.
You say 55.
You're 55.
65.
Oh, okay. 65. And that's a. So you are 65 and you lose 65,000 US.
Yeah.
Wow, that's almost like pretty much like 80 something, like 70 something thousand Canadian, right?
Trust me, I never want people.
All right, look, I'll try and help you. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, they will say me needed some direction as to where I ought to go, because
well, look here. As I said to you, see, you have my direct number. And once I have your name and everything, I'll put your name on it, so they're pretty much like an asterisk, so that whenever you're calling, I know that your call is important, and I'll try my very best to guide you through the process. So send me the screenshot of the company and all the different things, and I'll help you the best way I can. You understand? Right. You know.
You know, it's only a pity you don't have an email, because there's so much you could have sent anyway.
Yeah, just send it to WhatsApp or them thing. The reason why I don't, honestly, let me tell you this now. The reason why I don't share my email with with people, with
civilians.
No, yeah, I don't share my email. It's just that I don't want it. Hey, look here, you have to understand. We live in a world where trust is something you can buy, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah, not because our proximity means that you can trust people. I work with people where I thought that were my friends. I realized that them are my friend. Me know people I know almost 40 years, and about 3 weeks ago me find out say now 3 weeks ago, or just months ago me realized that they were not my friend because we have different.
You were talking about. I remember you talking about it.
Yes, and I say it all the time. You understand? I even a family member. I have people me and them related by blood. I would not say eye to eye, and because of that, I am seen as the enemy. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I look here. I can't even go further. Look here. I can't go even further where people with me and them related blood by blood. Say me if it dead. May I tell you that?
Yeah, you know they will do
okay,
that. They
so
will say them thing I want to put you and get people to do something to you too.
Okay, well thank you. Okay, so you have to understand where I'm coming from. It's not that I don't have emails or stuff like that, so you know. Just send it because once it come to my WhatsApp, you understand what I'm saying? The phone that I'm using, that phone, if something is not good, it's phone scan it before. But the reason why my email, I don't really, you understand what I'm saying? You notice I am telling you now. I don't say I don't have it because I do have email addresses. You understand?
Listen.
But it's honestly, I will help you as I said to you.
You know Proton.
I heard of it, an email thing. There we go. They are. So let me tell this. Well, look here. I may tell you this now on them thing, and if you listen to the channel religiously, Proton and what the other one that you had, what's his name? The other email platform. What's the name of the other one that you said that you used to communicate with the people them? You have
No. My email is my personal email. I'm just asking you if you know about VPN.
Oh yes, man. Yes, man. I know about VPN. VPN means pretty much just incognito. Yes, you have Proton email server, and you have another one. I don't use them because these email stuff that's. Let me tell you, these and people don't understand it. I say it all the time, even on the channel. You see, all of these email that people are telling you that the government can't see you.
Oh, that's what you saying.
Yeah, no, look here. That is just a way for the government to set you up because it's the government. Remember, say the American government is the one that own the World Wide Web. You think so you can set up you think you can set up something where you can hide from them? People have to be dummy because what they're doing, you have to understand how government or propaganda works, and the government will come out and you hear some people say, oh, we have to go through this later. All of them things there, trust me, all of these things are just crap. You understand? There's not where them can have access once it's in a digital space. So when you have an email like Proton, where you feel the government can't see it and this and that, you see, once you have those kind of they know that you have something to hide. I have nothing to hide. That's why I don't indulge in these kind of these kind of email thing. And just like how you hear the people in my White House and the people that work for the federal government, them use all of these secret email server, but yet still see things them leak. There's nothing secret about it. They might think so, you understand? Huh?
Amongst them. There is a weakness in the system and somebody know if you hack it.
Is man make it it's not foolproof.
That is how it is. Somebody know how to know the spot.
Yeah.
I know. So remember the internet was part of the military and still is. The intranet. A lot of people don't know the difference between intranet and internet, We know the difference.
When you're using the internet, you still can access the internet, but they cannot access your the page that you're on.
Intranet and internal is only in the organization network.
Yes, well, the American government have that. So when you log on and thing, and you can access everything outside, but they cannot come in unless you let them in. That's why when you come on to email and stuff like that.
I used to work for the government here in one point
Mm-hmm.
in my life.
So how many years now you have been listening to the channel?
Lord, me don't know how long. Me listen to it long time, but me not comment sometimes. You know, me just
Nothing is
listen
wrong
like
with
and
that.
move on.
Mm-hmm.
More than 5 years.
Mm. Oh, okay.
But you know, me not comment on things sometimes because me will get myself in a trouble.
Well, you have to do what's it's not who is right, it's what is right. You understand?
Yeah, me say get myself in that trouble. Me know that if me say certain things, some people will come for me.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they're ready to contact you, and me will answer them, and me no want in that. Because me want me straightforward, you know. You see, you talk about you being blunt and being on point, and you not hide.
Mm-hmm.
Well, me a female, me have the same spirit, but because me female and you know them can't get to me through them we report on me Facebook page to me get blocked here right now.
What?
Until
because of the same people them?
No. Different. You know when me comment on certain posts
Mm-hmm.
and them not like it, they report me.
Oh.
Me I get banned. Me I get reported because me put about Jamaican and then about me the Facebook stupid and cast me making derogatory comments about Jamaican.
Oh, okay.
They talk about Jamaican. Listen, I mean Jamaican. And me comment about no way and me get banned because they Jamaican.
Oh, you in a group or something like that?
No.
Oh, okay.
On my own page. Me make something and post it on my own own post.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, it was pertaining to MCB when him Lee Michael Chin.
Mm-hmm.
And me say no people are come a ball, no how this and that. And me say when them should have did a invest in the platform, in the platform at the time to make money, them would have rich. No, them a ball say Lee Michael Chin a thief. So me say, you see it there? When him did sell shares back in the day, no founder never want it. And it was not expensive. I knew about it. But it was a mutual fund. You know? So me say, see it there? Now that him have NCB Bank, everybody, them are cuss on this, on wicked, on this, on that. And you see? And then same shares and money. Well, people have them other stories. There are some other way in this union. Bustamante do this. Or who, no Bustamante, Shira do this for him and all kind of stuff. You know that. You know the story then. Right? Hello?
Yeah, man, me hear you, man.
Get them talk all kind of garbage. So,
well, that's how it is, you know, when people are coming. You understand what I'm saying?
Eh?
That's how it is when people are coming. You have all people talk all kind of garbage. You understand?
So, that's why me no when me going at when me see certain things, but me no go on Facebook. These things will provoke me thoughts and me respond.
Well, you can't use emotion. You understand?
It may not be favorable to those who put out them things and they go talk or me see it and they made vex. Me say enough of them sit down there ball about Jamaica government to give them this and that and all them people on Westmoreland. Me say imagine how much years you know down there cut cane from before me born. And no born come, you know born come so no parents and live on squatted land and no try to get something for yourself. When you live in a board house all these years and storm come now, not talk about government to put you in a house. People don't like them thing there. And it's wicked.
Well, sometimes you have to be compassionate, you know what I'm saying? But
compassionate to people who stupid.
Well, that's you cannot fix fool. You understand what I'm saying? That's how it is.
Well, that is it. You know, suffer fools, you know. So that's you know, tell fools as it is. So if them all look for me to be compassionate, when me I show you the way and you still decide to dig your heels in with your stupidity, where you want me to do?
Well, there's not that I can know about it, you know.
You still gonna broke my back with your foolishness, then I'll make you carry me down.
Yeah.
The power of Portia Simpson constituency. And when she's in her power, me take shape, me talk all she to you know. Me say imagine. Your people them not have no proper infrastructure over them community there. They don't have proper sewage collection and running water like every house have toilet where they can use to bathe.
Well, the people them not have a problem with that, you know.
Jesus have mercy. Listen, they born and go to Jamaica and come to this country, but me never know to them get something that's in a Guam. I never know that. And when them show the place with the open sewage around on the road, I said, Jesus Almighty. And then them a day and age and look how long it they run and nobody no fix it. How them live with the stench? Huh?
Well, them a pig, you know, you have to understand, you know, them used to it, you know.
What are you worse than me, you know?
Why you say that? Why you say that?
You call them pig. And they don't call them pig, but they said to me, you know, me was a deal wrong with them. Years of them have a lot of them over them inbreed, where you call family member have children with other family members. There is I don't know if you hear that part.
Well, we hear it on them thing there, you know.
Hey, you hear it?
Yeah, man. Well, in Trelawney, you know, in Trelawney, you know that they want incest to be legal.
What?
In Trelawney, the PMP was telling the people in their last election that they would make incest legal.
Okay, I wish that I never hear that.
It's on the channel too, you know. It's on the Jamaican Young Police Channel.
Jesus have mercy, because here I am saying the reason why those people over back to steal so it is because of the inbreeding. Them no normal. They have some kind the brain disorder, the genetic interruption there because their family members being with other family members, and it's something that's been, you know, and then somebody else in the family go have picnic with that. What? It's a mix. It's a dirty stew.
Well, them the mind it, you know.
Yeah, well, you know, as you say, you come from Kingston, so you know more than I. I'm not a Kingstonian. You come from another place.
Well, the thing is that the most important thing, you're a Jamaican and you know the culture.
I know some of it.
Well, we're not gonna know everything. You understand?
No, but hear what I'm saying. Because you know, so me been told already that me not Jamaican enough.
Well, you can't ignore that because that don't make any sense. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Because me not Jamaican enough. Me been told.
Why?
All kinds of things. So, because you know, me can't relate.
Yeah. So we have come to the end of part 3 of the 4-part series. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of part 3. I want to sincerely thank everyone who has stayed with us throughout this journey, because the purpose of this discussion goes beyond one story, one person, or one situation. This is about awareness. This is about education. This is about helping people make better decisions when it comes to protecting their hard-earned money. In part 3, we focus on one of the most important lessons. Knowing that scams exist is not enough. You must know how to recognize them before they affect you. We examine why verification matters. We discuss why people should never make major financial decisions based only on emotions, pressure, promises, or the appearance of success. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing that asking questions is disrespectful. It's not. It is not. That's why most people don't like me, because I'm the kind of person where I ask questions about everything. When it comes to your money, asking questions is wisdom. Before you invest, ask, who is offering this opportunity? Can their claims be independently verified? Is the company legitimate? How exactly is the money being generated? What are the risks? What happens if I want to withdraw my money? These are not negative questions. These are responsible questions. Remember, a genuine opportunity does not fear investigation. A trustworthy person does not fear transparency. A legitimate investment does not depend on secrecy, pressure, or rushing you into a decision. Your money represents your sacrifice, your hard work. It represents the early mornings, the long hours, the responsibilities you carried, and the dreams you have for yourself and your family. That is why protecting your money requires patience, discipline, and good judgment. As we prepare for part 4, we are going to bring this 4-part series toward its conclusion. We will discuss the bigger lessons, the importance of making informed decisions, and what every person should remember moving forward. For those who have followed the series from part 1, thank you for your support. For those who want additional content, exclusive discussions, early access, and behind the scenes material, you can become a part of the Jamaica Young Police Patreon squad. Your support helps this channel continue researching, producing educational content, and having important conversations that can benefit our community. Please remember to like, hype, share, comment. Your engagement helps this message reach more people who may need this information. This is the end of part 3. Stay tuned for part 4, the conclusion of this important series. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.